Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam Raki. Today's video is about the September 2020 Fab Bag. It's the 8th anniversary edition and it has some amazing products, so I could not wait to do this. Pricing is as usual $5.99 including shipping, so let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is the box. It reached me as usual in good condition, and you can see the setup is different and there's less lighting, but I just could not wait for the setup, so let's do this like this. So here is the pouch in red color. I love red, you guys know that. There's one product outside too. So this is how the pouch looks like. I had seen on the Insta page that it will be in different colors. You might receive some other color, but they're all nice and it is a faux leather quality. Good quality and quite spacious too. It has a button closure like this, not a chain closer. And here are all the products. So let's go through them one by one. So first let me show you guys the star product this month. This is the Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick by Sugar, and I have chosen the shade Murphy Brown, and I love this range and especially this color. I have been actually thinking of buying it, so I was so happy to see this in options. They have great shades, Scarlet O'Hara, Baby Houseman, all of those colors in options. So this itself makes the Fab Bag value for money for me, and I think for most of other people it will be the same. So the cost of this product itself is $8.99 and it has 2.8 grams of product. It comes with a sharpener like this. So this time they have not just given their crayon sharpener but a dual sharpener like this with a cover also. So this is really convenient for all your crayons and all your lip pencils as well, or kajals or eyeliners. You can use this. So this is not just the free sharpener that you get with the Sugar crayon. This is something better. So definitely happy with this. Now let's swatch this one. You must have seen the packaging of the MAH crayons by Sugar till now. The use before date mentioned here is 9/21, so 1 year from now. This is how the crayon looks like. You have to sharpen it, it's not retractable. And this is how the beautiful brown burgundy shade is. I really love the shade. I like such browns which have a little bit of red in it, and they look so nice on darker skin tones, and especially for me, I love such browns. It's not really maroon, it's not brown as such. It's a mix of maroon, burgundy and brown, which looks amazing. I love this shade. Now after this, there is another product of choice, and this is a lip liner. So this time it's more like a lip makeup, as last time it was eye makeup. So I think the theme and everything is going on quite well for Fab Bag nowadays. It says On Fleek Lip Liner, and this is by Brick New York. The shade I chose is terracotta brown, again a brown which will match this, and brown is something that you can use to even make the lipsticks that wash you out look better on you. You have all different shades on this, pink, red, all different shades that you would want to have. Here are more details about the product. Net weight is 0.3 grams and MRP is $3.49. It is cruelty free and vegan and not a China product. Expiry is till 2023, which is great. And this is how the packaging is. Decent, I would say. Let's have a swatch. Oh wow, I like this shade. It's more like a red rather than a brown, I would say, but I'm not disappointed because you guys know I wear a lot of red shades. So this is definitely gonna be useful. But if you don't want a bright red and you want a dark red, you can go for this shade rather than the red available in options. This is actually more of a red shade itself. You know, the brick red kind of shade. That's what it is. Then the third product is skincare, and this was also in options. You can choose either a face wash or a shampoo. I already have tried the shampoo option that was available there. So I chose the face wash. It is a Japanese face wash. 100 ml full size. That time I was not sure if they're gonna send a sample size or a full size, but I'm very happy to receive a full size because face wash is something that you use on everyday basis, so you need them regularly. And this Global Beauty Secrets is a good brand. I have tried some samples from them and I really liked it. I have also tried their full size shampoo, so quite happy with this product. Worth is $4.50. Expires in April 21. So probably you'll have to use it up soon, but again you can surely use it within a month, being a face wash which is used twice daily. Here are directions for use, ingredients and the details about the product. Let's open this up. It is a seal pack. I love the packaging of these products also. They're quite quirky and nice, and the fragrance is amazing. As soon as I open the packaging, I can already smell the scent. It's so soothing and nice. I really like the fragrance. It says Japanese face wash Azuki Bean. I'll have to try this and get back to you. I have not tried this, so I cannot say anything about it. But I'm definitely happy to receive a full size face wash from a good brand. The next, along with face wash, we have a body wash as well, and this is by the brand The Soap Company India, and this is their Musk body wash 100 ml full size again. Here are the ingredients mentioned, and the cost of this is 250 rupees. I believe this is gonna be a fixed product for all. You might receive different variants of this, but you will get a body wash. Now after this, the last product is a sheet mask, and it is by a great brand again. It's by Palmer's coconut oil formula. This is their coconut water hydrating sheet mask variant. Single use, of course, and cost is 305 rupees for 20 ml. Palmer's is slightly expensive, but the products are worth the pricing. I've used so many of their products, especially body lotion and cocoa butter, those kind of products, and I absolutely love them. There was no comparison between the quality that we get in Palmer's and between other local products, like other generic brand products, drugstore brands. So I'm definitely happy with this. It is dermatologically tested, hypoallergenic, and here are all the ingredients. You have to use it as usual as a sheet mask. I'm definitely excited about it, and I feel this is gonna be super hydrating. So for coming winters, whenever my skin starts getting really dry and sometimes it even peels, this is gonna save me. I'm so happy about this, and they are gonna smell like coconut also. I feel so those are all the products in my September 8th anniversary fab bag. In the In My Fab Bag contest, you will be winning a set of Time Seduction Las Vegas mini lipsticks and also a pressed glitter from TS Cosmetics. I love these lipsticks, so definitely worth trying. And here is the info card with all the pricing details. The theme this month is Ultim 8 because it's their 8th anniversary, and the prices of all individual products is mentioned here. It is definitely worth it, guys. You are getting a lip liner and a lip crayon of your shade choice. You can choose between a shampoo and a face wash, which is again something that everybody needs and uses on daily basis. Then you have a sheet mask and a body wash, again something that everybody can use, not something that will go to waste or just sit in a corner of your vanity. All of these products are usable, and especially if you're looking for some lip makeup, sugar crayons are amazing. I love them personally. So for me, this is a big thumbs up. I love this edition, and I'm also liking the curation of Fabbag nowadays. They're quite thoughtful. They're not repeating products. So if someone has subscribed for a long-term subscription, they would have got the eye makeup products last month, like eyeliner, mascara. This month they have got a lipstick, lip liner. So if they keep going on like this, the skincare and makeup complementing each other, edition after edition, I think it will be a great job. Everybody would love to subscribe to them. For me, this is definitely one of the best editions in recent times. I really wanted to get this particular shade of lip crayon, so I'm so happy. Do let me know what you think about this edition in the comment section below, and if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. It will truly encourage me to bring more videos on my channel. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. A giveaway is coming up very soon. It's my birthday month, so there has to be a huge giveaway. Make sure you stay tuned for that. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.